I wanted to make a quick video for you, Steve. So I've got you a really nice keyboard and mouse sound box. Got the custom cable. We're running the screensaver. I need to make it quick because I think I can get it out today. It's Saturday. We've got the NeXT logo cable. I got actually a new old stock one for you. And this is a mono turbo. New old stock power supply. New Arctic cooling fan. New BIOS battery. New old stock floppy. Zulu 2040 card with OpenStep 4.2. I'm including a DSP memory chip for you because I really appreciate your business and patience. And we've got the new Austrian caps. I may send a cat. What do you think, Bella? She's meowing away. Okay, so got the screensaver going. We tested the sound here. It does record.
Hello, test.
Okay, so that works. I'm going to shut it off and get it boxed up, run it over to pack mail. I think I got about 15 minutes. So, rock and roll. Hope everybody's having a good day. Oh, and I got a new box, so it's got the matching serial number for the box as well. I'm going to probably have to send you the floppy drives, the additional floppy drives you ordered separately. And I just wanted to get this out today. And I'm going in for hip surgery Monday. So I will try to have that box ready for Lori, my assistant, to drop off at the post office. All right, have a good day. It's Saturday.